Hello, my name is Margaret Nickel. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel on skincare advice and suggestions for older women. And what I wanted to talk about first was hair and letting your hair go gray and saving some money. So, what I did about 20 years ago, I decided to go gray. And I was very afraid of going gray. I was just entering the beauty business as an esthetician. And I was afraid no one would hire me, but that didn't seem to be the case. I was okay. And people just loved my hair. I also have grown my hair out long to save money. And it ended up looking very pretty. And I just saved so much money. And I even just go to Great Clips of all places. I don't have to go to a fancy Beverly Hills salon or Cherry Creek salon here in Colorado. I can just go to my local Great Clips and they do a beautiful job. All they do are haircuts. And so they have lots of practice. They don't do any color. And when I go in, instead of having my hair cut straight across, I have them do it in a V shape and it looks very pretty and very soft. And I also have them put some feathers around my face. And then I also use a special shampoo for my hair, and that is from AG Skincare. It's a Canadian company. And this is the color safe. It's called Sterling Silver for gray hair. And then about, once a month, twice a month, I use their extra moist for color, for hair that's not colored and gray. And it just keeps my hair beautiful, keeps it from getting yellow. And so that has worked out very well. I worked at a spa in Santa Monica, a full service spa, and the hairdressers recommended that for me, and I've been grateful ever since. So that's what I do for my hair. And so I'm going to be moving into skincare, but I just wanted to start out with my hair because I've gotten so many comments on my hair and women asking, what do you use on your hair? So I really appreciate that. I'm glad to share my information with you on what I use. And then our next YouTube video is going to be starting on skin. And first of all, it's going to be on cleansing. And then we're going to go down, all the different steps and cleansing. And then we're going to get into sunscreen, moisturizer, serums. It's going to be so much fun. And I'm going to help you try, to buy things that are affordable. If you don't need to buy things affordable, I'm going to be talking about expensive products like SkinCeuticals. They're great. So whatever you want to do, whatever you feel comfortable with and your budget allows you to, go for it. But I'll tell you the products to use so you're not wasting your money. So I appreciate you for tuning in. And if you like this content, you can like and subscribe. Thank you.